Hello everybody, and welcome to the summer house, where we're having a lovely time now that the spring's here and we're getting nice weather. Fantastic. This is where myself and Mr. Hodge, my cat, come and have a nap every afternoon, usually anyway. Okay, so here's the third in my series of Art Nouveau inspired pieces. Once again inspired by CFA Voicey, and it's a detail of a wallpaper frieze that I've found from 1897. There we are. And you can see I've changed it quite a lot. He's got his eyes closed in this one. In my one, his eyes are open and he's looking rather sorrowful, I think, a bit soulful. He's missing his friend. Do you remember in the last piece he had his friend with him? And now he's just by himself. I'm really enjoying this soft lemon background, which I think the black grouting is really delineating and giving it quite a graphic look. I'm very pleased with this piece. And these Marini I've used lots of times before. This particular one was in the purple hour, you may recall. Anyway, nice use of the Marini for a wing. I think it's good. As I say, he's looking a bit soulful, a bit sad, and that's reflected in this accompanying verse, which is called To Who. You find me in a ponderous state as I try to imagine my avian soulmate. Who she may be, I cannot assume, which is why I sing out to wit and to whom.